This is a really fast upbeat one called Love Come Down, and it's in the key of C. Also, if you are new, make sure to click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. And if you want to speed through the tutorial and you want to just play along with me top to bottom, there is the information for that in the description below as well. All right, so in the key of C, I chose this key because it's the most simple key to play. We have no sharps, we have no black notes. So we have 3 chords, C, F, and G, and then we have our A minor. Okay, so I'm going to cheat for you a little bit so that we can simplify it even more. And verse 1 starts out with a C chord. We're going to play a G, C, A for our C chord today for this song, okay? Then we have a G chord. All you do is move these 2 notes down here. So G, B, D. Then we have an A minor, A, C, E. And then we have an F, F, A, C, F chord. Okay, so review, here's our here's our C chord, G chord, move everything up 1 note, A minor, and then to our F chord. Okay, that's playing the C like that is just a cheat way. Normally it's C, E, G, but I'm just bringing that G down to the bottom here. That way my hand doesn't have to move all over the chords, the piano when I'm playing the chords that are close together. Okay, so that's the verse 1. When our right hand is playing chords, our left hand, I'm just going to keep my thumb on C here, line up my fingers, and not move this hand the entire song to just simplify it for you. So when our right hand plays this C chord, I'm going to play the single note C at the same time. When we play a G, G note on the bottom, A minor, single note there on that bottom, and then F. Okay, then I'm just going to show you a little bit about a rhythm. This is 4 4-time signatures, so how we can put that together is kind of a really simple marching rhythm where we go like this. I once was blind, I could not see, the chains of sin had shackled me. I cheated a little bit. I went back up to the C. So let's do that again. So the verse 1 goes like this. I once was blind, I could not see, G to the A minor there, F, C had shackled me, back up to the C, but God in heaven, G, heard my A minor, and Jesus, Jesus rescued me, and Jesus, Jesus rescued me. All right, so all you're doing is together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. That's pretty thorough through it. You can also just block chord like this. I once was blind, I could not see, chains of sin had shackled me. Just that 1-to-1 block pattern, okay? Then the chorus just changes the order in which we play those 4 chords. So don't overcomplicate this. It's really simple, okay? I will sing forever of your love come down, with my hands to heaven shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me out. Notice we're just going through F, C, G, A minor, that entire thing. Okay, then I will sing forever of your love come down. I will sing forever of your love come down. Back to the C. Okay, verse 2 is the same as verse 1 as well as verse 3. So we do have kind of like that little chanting where they go, oh, 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 oh. So I'm going to show you that instrumental, okay? So we start out with the F, and we're just going to go through F, C, G, A minor. Oh, 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 oh. That was F, C, G, A minor. Then the last stanza is oh, F, do, do, C, do, do, G, do, do, C. So I'm going to repeat that instrumental. Do, oh, 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 And the chorus one in the beginning, kind of back up, they do kind of like a chanting through that whole first chorus. I will sing forever of your love come down. They kind of sing that a cappella. So you can either just start out with the chorus right away with the chords, or you can kind of sing it out instrumental. It kind of just depends on how you're implementing this tutorial into your own lifestyle. I used to lead worship, so I would probably lead it out where I would let the audience kind of sing along with me a cappella, and then we'd really have to come in strong on the verse. But if you don't have an ear for music, that's a little tricky if you don't know how to kind of stay on tune. So anyway, I'm just going to kind of chant it out. And how I would start that would be to make sure that I have my starting chord of the chorus. And sometimes that'll help you to pick up the starting note. Okay, so I'm going to play it top to bottom. You can just join along with me, go back and rewatch it over and over and get those key concepts of those 4 chords. But really, it's pretty simple. It just repeats itself over and over. So have a lot of fun with it. Enjoy. I will sing forever of your love come down. With my hands to heaven, shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me out. I will sing forever of your love come down. Oh, 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 oh. I once was blind, I could not see. Chains of sin had shackled me, but God in heaven heard my plea. Oh, Jesus, Jesus rescued me. Oh, Jesus, Jesus rescued me. And I will sing forever of your love come down. With my hands to heaven, shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me out. I will sing forever of your love come down. Now grace so sweet, it floods my soul, and hope eternal won't let go. My debt erased at Calvary. Oh, Jesus, Jesus rescued me, and Jesus, Jesus rescued me. Well, there's a home beyond the sky, a song we'll sing for all of time. The grave is empty, I am free, and Jesus, Jesus rescued me, and Jesus, Jesus rescued me. And I will sing forever of your love come down. With my hands to heaven out, shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me out. I will sing forever when your love come down. I will sing forever of your love come down. I will sing forever of your love come down. And I will sing forever of your love come down. With my hands to heaven, shout your praises loud. I was lost in darkness when you pulled me